than 54. This is lesson 54, number 14, and it says secant of, okay, so I have to solve the equation, and we have that theta has to be between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. So this one is secant of 2 theta minus 1 equals 0. So we read in our book, remember the book got all upset and they said, no, 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 you can't mess with the argument. You can't like divide that 2 out or anything. You got to solve it out for theta. So I would probably add 1 on both sides, and then that would give me secant of 2 theta equals 1. And then I know you guys want to just divide out by 2, but you cannot because that is in the argument. Okay. So what you want to do is it's kind of like you're inverse secanting both sides, if that makes any sense. You're finding the angle at which secant of theta is 1. So secant is a reciprocal of somebody. Which trig function is secant the reciprocal of?
Cosine.
Cosine. So I could just whip out my unit multiplier, my unit circle, and find out where cosine's 1, and that would help. So it looks like cosine's 1 right here at 0. Oh, it's, okay, so they want theta in between. So we don't want to say 360. We just, if it's right here, it's going to be 0. Because that's both a 0 and 360, right? But they just want us to include 0. So 0 degrees. Where else is, wait, because secant, because do you guys get that the reciprocal of 1 is 1, right? So is there anywhere else? No. Okay, so, gosh, I think we're getting that we're going to say, if I inverse secant this or whatever, we'll just, like I kind of wiped it out, and I have 2 theta equals, we just said that was 0. So divide by 2. Now I can divide, because that's no longer an argument of a function. So then I can just divide. And I think I'm going to get 0 degrees. 0 over 2, that, or I think theta equals 0. So let's check that. It's 0. Okay, so we got theta is 0, but remember, that doesn't necessarily mean that we're at the end of the problem, right? Because we can maybe go once around. So remember our unit circle, we were right there. Let's try going once around. If we went once around, we would have 2 theta equals 360, right? So here was 2 theta. Wait, what? We had 2 theta equals 0, but also 2 theta equals 360, because we could go once around, just so long as our theta doesn't end up being higher than 360. So, okay, so now theta equals 180. So we actually got 2 answers off of that. Now, if I went around 3 times, so I know you're saying, why did I go around again when I just said that we weren't allowed to have theta over 360 either? No, you can't have. Yes. So the angle is actually less than, because remember we're taking half of it.
Okay.
So I could even try going around 3 times. If I went around to that spot again a 3rd time, that'd be 720. But we know that half of 720 is going to be too high. Because half of 720 would be 360. So I can't go around the 3rd time, but it does allow me to go around twice. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So there's actually 2 answers to that. And we kind of cheated and used our unit circle. Well, we kind of had to, right? Because we can't draw a triangle for that. And that's it.